So today is the day I finally get my new washing machine. I can't believe it, my package is late again. Wow, it's finally arrived. The new Samsung X1000 washing machine, with extra whitening power, and extra blackening power, not to mention the elusive waterless wash. Let's take her for a test run.
Dirty clothes detected, beginning wash cycle.
Must be something wrong with it, that can't be normal. I was so excited for that washing machine, and it's shit. I'm bored in life again. That must be my washing finished. No, it's still washing. Time for a walk to the park. Wow, I've never seen the park this windy. I wonder what's going on. Oh no. I think this is very bad. All along I was waiting for a washing machine, but the whole time my life was the washing machine.